up, guys? It's me, Desiree McKinney. See the couch behind me? It's my beautiful boyfriend's couch. He puts stuff on top of it so you can't tell. But we about to make it where he don't got to do that no more. Cause guess what? I'm the best girlfriend ever. We're gonna do it. So this is the before. Get a good look. That's kind of right. Alright. You'll see the after. Or a while and then after. Feel free to pause the video here. So after we ripped off the Access couch stuff, we got this fabric from the store. We went to Joann's. So we're gonna mix these two together. And then these are the materials you'll need. So you'll need glue gun, fabric scissors, the glue sticks, and the stapler, furniture stapler. Then we didn't know how to measure, and also the glue adhesive spray. And this is how you measure a couch. Basically, we went through each part of the couch and measured it, the sections. So for instance, this was measured length and width wise, and then we got each little piece of the couch. Baby's cutting it, and then we're gonna put it on there. Okay, now we laid it on top of the couch just to get an idea, and we're taking the excess red stuff off still. Here is the fabric. We put it on top of the armrest, and we just started on the sides and worked towards the middle, so it's completely on there. Really good. We're gonna tuck this side in. We saw the girl use like a glue gun, so we're gonna try that. Even though she did not recommend it, she said to staple. We're gonna still see how it do. But it looks good. It looks hella good. Now baby's stapling it inside of the folds to make sure you can't see it. We realized in order to make it work, you have to hold the staple flat or else it gets clogged. So this is me doing it here. And now we about to do it around the whole couch. But it came out pretty nicely. The glue wasn't working well and the staples we had to learn how to use. But once we figured it out, it was super easy. We only use the glue for the cushions. We just finished. Now we're putting the closing parts onto the top part of the fabric in the back, and we started using the glue gun. It didn't work for the other girl, but we realized that was because of the fabric she was using. She was using more of like a silk fabric. We were using, this is considered outdoors fabric. I wanted to use this because it's still kind of a bachelor's pad. This is his apartment, so if he spills something on it or something like that, he'll still be able to just wipe it down and like it'll be fine. But yeah. So now we finished this one completely. It's done. We wrapped it kind of like present style, like for a Christmas gift, like you would do, I guess. And then we got like a system going with the 3 here. We started stacking them on top of each other to make sure it was flat, since you have to stick the adhesive, and it saved us a lot of time. A lot of this stuff, if we had seen a video where somebody did this and explained it, would have saved us a lot of time. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Checking my surroundings like a runaway. Tight curls on me, I am my head. Coconut oil and glowing the gotta do